In front of me is all of the stuff I'm going to be installing for today's video. I know it's a lot, so I'm going to break it down for you guys. First off, we have the innovative 75A engine mount kit. This is a competition clutch stage 4, and the pressure plate for it, wave track, limited slip, RSX K-series differential, some Skunk 2 miscellaneous stuff like oil and transmission plug. We have extended ball joints from Buddy Club. We have basically an entire transmission rebuild kit aside from synchros and gears. So all the bearings, seals, stuff like that. Down here we have all the bolts for the flywheel and for the differential. We have, this is a Speedo ring gear that goes on the differential as well. You need to do that anytime you change your differential. You have to take the stock one off and put on that, or you have to buy a new one because sometimes they break. Focus please. These are the motor mount bolts, and yeah, that's about it. Got some manual transmission fluid over there for the transmission rebuild. I want some new fluid in there. Went with OEM, and then I have a little clutch thing to help you do the clutch. So yeah, let's get started. guys, I forgot to record because me and Josh, shout out to the homie Kuya's S2K, we're just jacking the transmission back up and I just got it hooked back up. So forgot to record that part, but we'll continue from here.